key working on the Seth Banjo clock still. I just got through oiling up the movement. I don't have an oiler. What I do is I'll take a piece of wire, and bend the end of it. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get you. Is bend the end of the wire, and that's what I use for my oiler. Dip it into the oil and oil each pivot and the escapement and entrance and exit pallet on this escapement right here. Just the pivots and the entrance and escapement pallet on the pivot area. And I don't have it all the way wound up. I just gave it a few twists just to see what was going to happen. The movement didn't get as clean as I wanted to. It's got some rust on it, and I don't want to scrape that off. But anyway, we're getting there. I need to tighten up all these nuts to make sure they're tight before I go torquing down on the springs, or I'm going to have a mess on my hands. I already tightened these up. But we're getting there. But I hope y'all enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you always, when you wind up your clock, you always want to listen for the click before you let go of the key. Because if that click gets out of the way, when you let go of the key, it's going to come all unwound, and it's going to hurt like a Dickens. And you don't want that. If you get in a hurry winding your clock and you don't wait for the click to catch before you let go of the key, it's going to hurt like a Dickens. I've got some adjustments to do because it's not stopping. But we're getting there. I got to look at my pictures to make sure it is all put together properly. But again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless. Next video is going to be me having this movement back in the case.